Dear students, today I am going to discuss problems on inequalities. So let us start the class. We have linear inequalities. Linear meaning is first degree term. Suppose x plus 5 is less than 6. If it is x plus 5 equal to 6, it is a linear equation. It is less than 6 means from here I can write x is less than 6 minus 5, that is x less than 1. So then how to write a solution? Solution depends upon the domain. Suppose if I say domain is -3, -2, 0, 1, like this, x less than 1 means for this inequality answer will be -3, -2, 0. Only these are the three numbers which are less than 1. Suppose if I say x is a natural number, x plus 5 is less than 7. From here x is less than 7 minus 5, x is less than 2. Less than 2 only natural number, x is natural means for this solution set which satisfy this particular inequality is only number 1. 1 is less than 2. Is the only number satisfies this relation. Now, another example, x minus 3 less than 5. X is a rational, positive rationals. First, second question, x is a natural. Third one, x is whole numbers. Fourth option, x is real. Now let us see, x minus 3 less than 5 means x less than 3 plus 5, x is less than 8. Let us take second condition. When x is a natural number, numbers which less than 8, for second bit answer, natural numbers start with 1, 5, 6, 7. These are the numbers which less than 8. Third bit, x is whole number means set will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So numbers which are less than 8. Right? When it comes to x is rational, positive rational, x is less than 8 means what will be the answer? So can I write, so less than 8 means 7.99, 7.98, 7.97, 0.01. Not only this, positive x belongs to q plus means x is a positive rational number. X is positive rational number. Positive rational number after 0, what are the numbers means? 0.01 or 0.01, which is smaller you cannot say. But you should not write answer as 0 to 8. This is wrong. Because between 0 and 8, 0.123457012 such a number exists, which is an irrational number. If I write interval, this number also we have to consider. Since it is a rational, you cannot take this number. So you cannot write interval. You have to write. So like this also not correct, because we are missing many numbers. If I write like this 7.971, if I write even a smaller number 7.9701, like this there are many infinitely many numbers are there, even that is not a correct representation x, such that x is rational, positive rational, x less than 8. Listing is not possible. Listing all the numbers is not possible. So for solving linear inequality or any kind of inequality, it depends on the values of x. It depends on the inequality as well as the input. So now let us extend the discussion to quadratic inequalities. So something is not mentioned. Generally we solve the problem with respect to real numbers. So x square, question will be for what values of x square minus 5x plus 6 is positive. Now let us see here. X square minus 5x plus 6 positive. Positive means greater than 0. From here I can write, you know the factors, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 greater than 0. X square x into x minus 3 minus 2 times x minus 3 greater than 0. From here x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. So this is the inequality what we have. How to solve this inequality? Let us observe case wise. Positive means we have two linear expressions, product of two positive numbers is greater than 0. Product of two negative numbers also greater than 0. Now case 1, x minus 1, here x minus 2 is positive, x minus 3 is positive. Both are positive. Then how to proceed? X is greater than 2 and see here, this must be not or, both must be positive. Both means and. X must be greater than 3. So here on a real line 2 is here, more than 2 up to infinity. Here number 3 is there, more than 3. The common part will be from 3 to infinity. 3 is not included after 3. This is solution in case 1. Let us see other case. Other case here is x minus 2, x minus 3 positive. When each expression is negative, product will be positive. So that is case 2. X minus 2 is negative and x minus 3 also negative. From here I can say x less than 2 and x less than 3. It's a real line, minus infinity to 2. Here it is less than 3 minus. From here I can say that x belongs to minus infinity to 2. So here we have two solutions. In each case we got one solution. How to combine solution? Interval is an infinite set. So sets will be combined with the symbol union. So here we have to write minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity. This is the solution set for this inequality. Or in set form, if you want to write solution set, set of all x for right flower bracket such that x is less than 2 union. This is a solution, and not only this is also solution. Or x is more than 3. Right? So numbers less than 2 as well as numbers more than 3 satisfies this inequality. So some people will write infinity as like this, it is alpha, this is infinity. Try to understand the difference between alpha and infinity. The same problem, how to remember easily and how to solve geometrically. So let us see here, y is a function, x square minus 5x plus 6, we are writing it as x minus 2 into x minus 3, right? It must be positive. First degree means always represent a line, second degree means represent a curve. It's a second degree, it represents parabola. So now let us take coordinate axis. This point represent a number 2, this point represent a number 3, parabola like this. Greater than 0 means where it is greater. After 3 you have positive y values. Before 2 also you have positive y values. Where it is positive, before 2 and after 3, that is x belongs to minus infinity to union 3 to infinity. So here y is positive. Don't think of negative values. Your final solution will be negative. Where y positive, those x values only we have to consider. So graphically you can answer very easily. Other way is keeping x square coefficient positive. Here x square coefficient is 1 positive. Greater than 0 occurs. You have to final solution how to write is among, you will get two values for x, 2 and 3. Once you make it equal to 0, more than the bigger number. Among 2 and 3, 3 is the bigger number. Right? More bigger number and then infinity. Smaller, minus infinity to smaller number. Now let us see here, x square minus 7x plus 12 greater than 0. How do you write solution? Simply x minus 3, x minus 4 greater than 0. So here numbers 3 and 4, how do you write? Among 3 and 4 bigger number is 4, 4 to infinity union minus infinity to 3. This will be the solution set for this inequality. Now, so second question will be for what values of x x square minus 5x plus 6 is non-negative. So what is the difference between positive and non-negative? Positive, non-negative. Not negative means maybe positive or equal to 0. 0 will not come under positive or negative. So here how to solve? X square minus 5x plus 6 is non-negative. From here we write x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. How do you write solution? Here you have two numbers 2 and 3. More than 3 we have to consider, less than 2 also we can consider, but here equality is there. So solution minus infinity to 2 I already explained, but here equal x minus 3 0 means x equal to 3 we have to consider. So I already explained about the intervals. Equal to 3 means this 3 I have to consider. Similarly 2 also we have to consider. So we should write union. So this is how we have to solve another quadratic inequality. Okay. Now third one. For what values of x is negative? Negative means x square minus 5x plus 6 is negative. This we can factorize. X minus 2 into x minus 3 is negative. How do you solve it? Means there are two cases. One is plus, other is minus. Second case minus and plus. Case 1 x minus 2 positive and x minus 3 is negative. From here x is greater than 2 and x is less than 3. It is a real line. 2 here, more than 2, less than 3. The common part will be here between 2 and 3. This is in one case we got the solution. Let us see other case. So that is second case. X minus 2 negative, x minus 3 positive. From here I can write x less than 2 and right x must be greater than 3. So here less than 2, more than 3, there is no common number. Less, right, here intersection is there, here you don't find intersection, empty set. So final solution will be only 2 to 3. This is the solution set for this inequality, right? So what is the other way of doing the same problem? Geometrically we observe, I drawn the graph of this. Here 2, 3. Once you draw, it's a parabola. Here y values are positive, y values negative means below the x-axis. So in this between 2 and 3 y values are negative. So x belongs to 2 to 3, function is negative. So this is the another way of solving. Or less, keeping x square coefficient to positive. Greater means more than bigger, less than smaller. Lesser means lies between smaller and bigger. This is third kind of inequality. Let us discuss fourth kind of inequality. Here it is, instead of negative I will write non-positive. How they differ? X square minus 5x plus 6 Not positive means maybe negative or equal to 0. From here I can write x minus 2 into x minus 3 less than or equal to 0. From here I can write x lies between, because less means lies. So when compared with the earlier problem, equality is there like this. I can write or x belongs to close to open 3. Sorry, closed 3. So both sides are closed. It's a closed interval, right? So these are 4 different kind of inequalities, right? So based on this, how they frame the problems and what kind of inequalities are useful in finding the domain. Let us see here another example. Solve simultaneous inequalities. So one is x square minus 7x plus 12 less than 0. Other x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. If you simplify this, x minus 3, x minus 4 less than 0. What does it mean? Less, keeping x square coefficient positive, 3 comma 4 lies between 3 and 4. Another is, if you simplify this, x minus 2, let us take a small change, 6x plus 8. So factorization we get greater than 0. Okay, doesn't matter. What does it mean here? Greater means here 2 will be there. 2 is a number before 3. Less than 2 and more than 4. Greater. So if you observe carefully, 1 is between 3 and 4. Here 4 if you take, it is not, 4 is not included. We'll put a hole here. Here also greater than 4. 4 is not included after 4. If you observe carefully, there is first part is this, second part is this. So there is no intersection. Answer is empty set. So for this inequality, for first inequation solution, for second inequation solutions, if you consider, there is no intersection at all. So empty set. Here if I consider, let us do other problem. X square minus 9x plus 8 greater than or equal to 0. Here it is 3 comma 4, x minus 3, x minus 4 less than 0. Here if you factorize, x minus 1, x minus 8 greater than or equal to 0. Less means lies between 3 and 4, where 3, 4 are not included. Greater than or equal to means here 1 and 8 are the numbers. Greater means less than 1 and more than 8. So here equality is there, 1 is included, closed dot. Here also if you observe, first and second set, there is no intersection. Right? So here also empty set is the answer. Right? If I third problem, what I am doing here is, I will change it to greater. Here what I do, I will make it lesser. 3, 4, more than 4, less than 3. Right? Here 3 is not included. Keep whole. Open whole. 1, 8. 1 here, 8 here. Less than means lies between. So 1, 8 we have to consider, 1 also we have to consider. Where is the common part? So this is the common part. 4 to 8 common part. Union, here it is 1, 3. So this is the common part. So this is how we solve simultaneous inequalities. So what is the importance of x square coefficient? I will explain through examples. So here x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. Here how we are solving? X minus 2, x minus 3 greater than 0. Answer here is 2, 3. So greater means less than small, more than bigger. Minus infinity 2, union 3 to infinity. Now here minus x square plus 5x minus 6 greater than 0. What I did, I multiplied left hand side with minus. Now if you here 3 is a number more than 1. If you multiply by minus, minus 3 is a smaller, inequality changes. Right? Here first keep x square coefficient positive, multiply by minus, lesser. Here factors x minus 2, x minus 3, less than 0. Answer here is lies between 2 and 3. See the difference? Solve the problem keeping x square coefficient positive. Less means lies between. Otherwise confusion occurs. Right? Greater means does not lie between those specified values. More than the bigger, less than the smaller. And the last model in this is where we don't find factors for quadratic expression. Like x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Where we don't find factors, real factors, discriminant you find it b square 1, a value 1, c value 1, 1 minus 4 minus 3. Right? So how to draw this graph is, now let us look at this. We don't know how to draw. Take x as 0, y will be 1. Take x as 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Take x as minus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1. Right? So the graph will be like this. If you observe, all y values are positive. So that means x square plus x plus 1 is always positive, whether you take x as 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Solution set for this inequality is x such that x is a real number, or we will write minus infinity to infinity. For what it is? For this inequality. Suppose inequality happens like this: x square plus x plus 1 less than 0. What is the answer for it? Graph is like this only. So all y's are positive. There is no x for which it is negative. So solution is there is no x Whatever x you substitute, positive or x2, you are getting positive, you are not getting less than 0. No x, real x will satisfy. Answer is empty set. Right? Last one I will discuss. If it is minus x square plus x minus 1 greater than 0. X square minus x plus 1, I am multiplying, inequality changes. Discriminant b square minus 4ac minus 3 negative. So once discriminant is negative, how the graph look like? X square coefficient, like take x square, take minus x square. When x is say x0, 1, minus 1, 1, graph will be like this. If you take minus x square, x0, 0, 1, minus 1. So graph will be like this. X square coefficient is negative, graph comes like this. So this particular, once x square coefficient negative, discriminant is negative, it will be negative always. So there is whatever discriminant we got negative, graph like this, all y's are negative, there is no x for which this whole expression is for all x this expression is becoming negative. Right? Sorry. So last small mistake. Discriminant we got negative. X square coefficient is positive, it must be positive. So there is no x which satisfies this. Answer is empty set. Whatever x you substitute, you get positive. Okay, let us stop here.